One of the differences between the animals and the human being is how we walk. Animals, they walk horizontally. Human beings, we walk vertically. What's the difference? The animals, they have the heart and the mind on the same level. Human beings, we got the minds on top of the heart. And that can talk a lot about how to behave. A human being that behaves like an animal, it has the heart on the same level of the mind. It allows the heart to rule his behavior. His behavior is like an animal. Instincts, reactions, impulses, no thinking, being the mind conquered by the heart. A decent human being, a human being with education, has the mind on top of the heart, which means that we feel, we have a lot of emotions, but we rule our heart with our minds. So we work to have a behavior based on, hopefully, good thinking. And how to make that good thinking is through education. A person who has a good education, a good education, will behave well, which means think well, speak well, and act well.